If you're looking to roll over your 401k to an IRA, you're likely preparing for the next phase of your retirement journey, and you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can ensure a smooth transition and make the most out of your hard-earned savings. When you're nearing retirement, one of the first things you'll want to think about is consolidating your retirement accounts. If you've got a 401k, rolling it over into an IRA can give you more control, better investment options, and greater flexibility. But the process can seem intimidating if you're not sure where to start. Before we dive into the details, let me quickly mention, if you're serious about protecting your wealth during retirement, I recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, especially in times of market uncertainty. It's a must-read for anyone with at least 100K in an IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings. Trust me, it could change the way you think about retirement. Now, let's talk about how to roll over your 401k. First, understand that a 401k rollover is just the process of moving the funds from your 401k plan into a new account, usually an IRA. This can happen for several reasons. You're changing jobs, retiring, or just looking for a better investment strategy. The main goal is to avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties. The good news is there are no tax penalties when you do a direct rollover. When done correctly, the funds in your 401k will move directly to the IRA without touching your hands, meaning the IRS won't take a cut. You'll also avoid the tax hit that you might face if you just cashed out the 401k. But before you rush in, take a moment to evaluate your options. IRAs typically give you more flexibility than a 401k. You can choose a wider range of investments, from stocks and bonds to precious metals like gold. Speaking of gold, if you've been wondering why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs, it's because gold has historically been a safe haven for wealth, especially in times of economic uncertainty. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, again, make sure to check out that free guide in the description. The next step in the process is choosing the right IRA custodian. Your 401k funds will need to be transferred to a financial institution that will act as the custodian of your new IRA. Some custodians focus on traditional stocks and bonds, while others, like gold IRA companies, allow you to diversify your holdings with precious metals. Keep in mind that not all custodians are created equal, so it's important to pick one that fits your retirement goals and risk tolerance. A good custodian will not only help you with the rollover, but also advise you on the best strategies for your specific financial situation. Once you've selected your custodian, it's time to initiate the rollover. You'll need to contact your 401k provider and request a direct transfer to your new IRA account. This typically involves filling out some paperwork, but the process is usually straightforward. A direct transfer means your 401k funds will be sent directly to your new IRA, and there's no need for you to handle the money directly. This ensures the tax-deferred status is preserved. Now, let's talk about potential mistakes to avoid during a 401k rollover. One of the most common mistakes is not doing a direct rollover and instead taking a distribution, which can trigger a 20% federal tax withholding and potential penalties. Avoid this by requesting a direct rollover to your IRA custodian. Another mistake is not properly researching your IRA investment options. You don't want to roll over your 401k just to find that your IRA options are limited or not aligned with your retirement goals. That's why, if you're looking to safeguard your wealth in retirement, consider diversifying into something like a gold IRA, which gives you the ability to invest in precious metals. If you're interested, again, check out the link for your free gold IRA guide. Finally, as you roll over your 401k into an IRA, take some time to understand how it will impact your overall retirement plan. An IRA can offer more flexibility, but it also requires more management. Be sure to keep your portfolio balanced and aligned with your retirement goals. To wrap things up, rolling over your 401k into an IRA is an excellent way to take control of your retirement savings, especially if you have more than 100k or 5 pluses in savings. But remember, the right choice depends on your specific needs. If you want the most flexible, secure option for protecting your wealth, consider rolling over into a gold IRA. For American retirees looking to preserve their wealth, especially with over 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, a gold IRA might be exactly what you need. Don't wait. Click the first link in the description now to get your free guide and take action today to secure your financial future.